in class 7. Actually, I was in a boarding school. So, where we were not allowed to talk to our parents over call. So, we were asked to write letters. So, I remember my dad sending me letters with cutouts of Sania Mirza. So, somewhere that is rooted inside me since I was a small child. तो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि तुम पहले से अगर फर्म रहो तुम्हारे लाइफ में तो देन नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू.
आज हमारे साथ रिया है. इन्होंने फादर का बिजनेस एट द एज ऑफ 21 ज्वाइन कर लिया था और शादी के बाद भी 2 महीने में ही इन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड का बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर लिया. सो ये वीडियो उन लोगों के लिए है जो ये बोलते हैं कि शादी के बाद मैं बिजनेस ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकती, ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. प्लीज समझिए, बिजनेस ज्वाइन करिए अपने हस्बैंड का, अपने फादर का, जिनका भी आप ज्वाइन करते हो. डोंट स्टॉप वर्किंग, प्लीज डोंट स्टॉप वर्किंग. हाय रिया, गुड इवनिंग.
हाय विपल, गुड इवनिंग.
It's great to see you after a long time.
Same here. I think it's been years, but yeah, it's always great to see any of SP Gen people around.
Yes. So, Riya, since आप 21 की थी जब से आपने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है और आज हम लोग उसी बात पे डिस्कशन करना चाहते हैं कि ठीक है, शादी के पहले तो आप बिजनेस कर रही थी और शादी के बाद भी आप बिजनेस कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो. तो इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग टू नो अबाउट यू कि एंड लास्ट ईयर वी मेट इन दुबई आल्सो एंड वही जोश आपके अंदर अभी भी है कि बिजनेस करना है, कुछ आगे बढ़ना है. सो दैट इज ग्रेट एंड आई कैन सी वेरी लेस पीपल लाइक यू who are very dedicated towards their work after marriage also.
Thank you so much, Vipul. And this gives me a lot more inspiration to work more harder every day. जब कोई ऐसे बोलता है कि you're really doing well and you're keeping up with what you've dreamt of even after marriage, it really feels great. So thank you so much.
So ये चैनल के बारे में आपको मालूम है कि ये चैनल मैंने स्टार्ट किया है जस्ट 1 month बैक और शायद कुछ ना कुछ मोटिवेटेड आप लोग जैसे लोग हैं जो लोग कहीं ना कहीं मोटिवेट करते हैं कि आपकी स्टोरीज लोगों को मालूम होनी चाहिए. तो उसी में मैं फर्स्ट, ठीक है, हम लोग बिजनेस की बात करेंगे, बट एक चीज मैं जानता हूँ रिया कि यू आर वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट फैशन और कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज रिलेट नहीं कर रही होती है बिजनेस से. बट क्या फायदा है अपने पैशन को फॉलो करने का? और आप अभी 1-1.5 साल से मैं जानता हूँ कि आप इंस्टाग्राम और ये सब में बहुत एक्टिव है. तो हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट और कितना टाइम एफर्ट चाहिए होता है और वो आपको कैसे मोटिवेट रखता है?
Frankly, Vipul, like you said, I was always like one part of me was always into fashion. Even though it's like my dad's business also, it was nowhere related to fashion, and then I joined my husband's business. But there was always this thing in my mind that I want to do something in this. I thought that last year around this time only, I guess September or so, I thought one fine day that the entire day whenever I get a little bit of free time, all I keep doing is checking out new collection, kiska kya aaya, what is happening in fashion industry, and I didn't want to kill that enthusiasm in me somewhere. And neither did I want any regrets in life कि यार कुछ इसमें करना चाहिए था मुझे पहले. So that is very important कि you should always follow what you have inside you.
Very good in it. Very good. I can see your pictures. मैं Instagram का लिंक आपको वीडियो के नीचे दे दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. जैसे मैं जानता हूँ कि आपने 21 के एज पे बिजनेस करना शुरू कर दिया था आफ्टर योर एजुकेशन. आफ्टर मैरिज लोग बिजनेस छोड़ देते हैं या छूट जाता है उनका. So how you entered in-laws business? जैसे आपने बताया कि आपने 2-3 months के बाद ही अपना business join कर लिया था शादी के. So how you entered into it?
So Vipul, talking about this, I think before even the thought process of getting married, I always had this one thing very clear in my mind that no matter what, where I go, I am very sure कि मुझे business करना है और मुझे काम करना है. So if you have something firm inside you, I feel everything is going to fall apart that way. So even the first time I met my husband Manas, so when we started talking and everything, I think very initially the idea was very clear inside me, and I was pretty much sure that okay, he's pretty much fine with what I want to do in my life. So this is the most important thing I feel, that अगर तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें क्या करना है, see there are going to be problems. I'm not telling कि no and it's very easy to just start like that. No, it's not, because ये बहुत important है कि तुम the person or the people you're working with उनका trust gain करना, and that is going to happen over a certain time. I feel it really feels very sad to see कि there are so many girls who give up after getting married. Okay, now we are done, and I hear so many of them telling कि देखा जाएगा यार जो होगा, but I feel no, that देखा जाएगा is you.
And I feel कि the confidence that you have, जैसे आपने बोला कि देखा जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं, कुछ करना ही है. अगर आप mindset वैसा first day से क्लियर रखो तो it's more easier कि आप वो कर सकते हो.
Correct. So, and then the people or the your in-laws or the family, they also know कि okay, this particular person has a certain mindset and wants to pursue something in mind. अगर सामने वाले को पता ही नहीं है कि आपको करना क्या है, then people are going to take you that way only.
Yes. So जैसे ये तो आपने join कर लिया, but कुछ points आपने दिमाग में रखा होगा कि अच्छा ये certain things है जो मेरे को business में घुसने से पहले clear रखना चाहिए with your husband, with your family, with your in-laws, कि अच्छा ठीक है conflicts ना आए. So वैसे certain things या points आप बताइए जो clear पहले दिन से रहे और problems लोगों को कम face हो while joining the business.
First of all, the girl or the women, they have to be pretty much clear कि okay, business तो करना है, but that doesn't mean that they get rid of all the house responsibilities and the other things in life. वैसे so ये बहुत important है convey करना कि okay, I am going to do business, but it doesn't mean कि I'm going to sideline the responsibilities at home, या फिर जो whatever social responsibilities also you have, because you see there is so much of socialization in our country, and people have certain expectations today that okay, she is the daughter-in-law, she should be doing this. That's the reality check. I feel कि और जहाँ पे most of the girls or women they give up, which I will strongly say that they should not, because it is not very difficult to manage these things and then do business.
Feminism बोल लो या say equality बोल लो, ये हम लोग सिर्फ बोलते हैं, शायद अभी भी करना नहीं सीखे हम लोग. तो what you want to say about it, कि कैसे ये चीज equality पे बात करें हम लोग अब, या equality लेके आ पाए.
People talking about feminism और equality, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it should start from within. कोई भी चीज जब तुम बोल रहे हो and you yourself don't want to implement it or imply it, so then how is it going to go? मतलब अब बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं अभी feminism to me is frankly nothing but getting equal rights as a man, because this thing is always there in me that if a man can do it, a woman has to do it and she can do it. तो ये चीज बहुत लोग underestimate कर देते हैं कि यार women है क्या कर लेगी. So the thing is, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it is very important to break this certain stereotypes जो society ने set किए हुए हैं कि women का काम है और ये men का काम है. No, I feel कि if you want to grow as a country at the end of the day, women should be equally capable of taking care of the entire business, whereas a man, he should be completely capable of taking care of the house as well.
So Riya, how you keep yourself motivated?
So keeping myself motivated, this is I think the most important thing one has to do by your own self, because problems are going to be coming every single day and you have to face it. You can't just give up. So for this, I feel ki, Vipul, in fact, talking about motivation, when I am, stuck somewhere, or I don't know what am I supposed to be doing, I end up watching motivational videos. What you are doing actually, so it's been a great thing. तुम एक 5 minutes or 10 minutes you put into that, you listen to somebody's story, and you feel कि यार ये कुछ भी नहीं है, look what people are doing in life. So ये एक बहुत अच्छा initiative है, I think at your end also, which is going to help me also, because since you are doing this Women Power series.
So it's an excellent video, I think, and people will be inspired from this. Thank you so much, Riya, for your time.
Thank you so much, Vipul, for having me here. It's been a pleasure.